Are you hurt after a breakup? Do you feel you can't move forward? Imagine soothing that pain in just a few minutes a day through your breath. I'm Marcus Welsh, a breath instructor, and my course, Breathe with Love, will guide you step by step to heal the most important relationship in your life, the relationship with yourself. The goal of my course, Breathe with Love, is to help you release emotional pain after breakup as quickly as possible. We do this through 23 videos and 5 hours of content, using conscious breathing exercises called pranayama, accessible to anyone at any level. These practices help you reach a deeper state of awareness. They've been used for thousands of years by yogis and are now available to us, so we can truly experience their transformative power. These exercises relax the nervous system, releasing stuck emotions in the body. Through the meditations we'll practice together, we'll reprogram the subconscious mind, create a new healthy patterns. The most important pattern we must rebuild is the conscious relationship with ourselves, coming home, returning to our center when we feel lost, when we fall out of love or feel anxious, and start chasing someone else. It's usually because we've forgotten the most important connection, the one we have with ourselves. When we nurture that inner relationship, we'll never feel the need to run after someone when they choose to leave. Instead, we'll let go with love and continue walking our path. Breathe with Love is a series of 23 videos that guide you into deep healing after breakup. You'll learn the theory behind how a breakup scatters your energy, leaving you exhausted and stuck, and how breathwork or conscious breathing brings you back to your center, where you feel calm, whole, and yourself again. Here's what you will learn. Emergency breath, a rapid, powerful technique I recommend using anytime you feel anxious or low in energy. It calms you instantly. Alternative nostril breathing to balance your nervous system and both hemispheres of your brain, keeping you steady no matter what. Box breath for instant stress relief and mental clarity. Circular breathing, inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the mouth, creating a powerful effect of hyperventilation. And breath retention, to calm the mind and guide you into deeper states where true healing happens, where we come back to ourselves. You'll also use a journal with writing prompts for each breath and meditation session to help you ground your practice and deepen your transformation. This course is designed to organically and rapidly accelerate your emotional healing process. Most important, it helps you to recognize what you feel, accept it, surrender to it, let it go, step by step. You'll also tap into the power of your mind by using auto-suggestion in deep states to shift your thoughts, heal faster, and grow in a natural, organic way. The goal: to lift you out of suffering and bring you back to your center as quickly as possible, because self-love is the greatest outcome. That's what Breathing with Love offers to you. My name is Marcus Welsh, and I've been teaching breathing and yoga around the world for over 20 years. I took my first yoga course in 2003 at the Shivananda International School, and I taught in Europe, India, and Australia. But I don't teach it from theory alone. Years ago, after a very painful separation from my children, I experienced firsthand the transformative power of breathing. It was what helped me heal. Now, it's my true honor to humbly share with others how to find their unshakable center through breathing. That center which becomes the most important relationship in our lives, the relationship with ourselves. This course, Breathe with Love, has the power to teach you how to take control of your emotions and redirect your life towards a positive path. Controlling your breathing will inevitably make you the captain of your own destiny. With time and practice, the person you once were will disappear, and all that will remain is a being who loves themselves truly with all their soul, a being with the best relationship in the world, the one with yourself. From that center, who knows what life will bring? But whatever happens, you'll know who you are. That's the true value of this course of self-love. Click on the link below to sign up now and start this valuable training. This information will enrich your life. This course is an investment in your well-being, and I hope you'll join me in this journey of self-discovery and self-love.